Hello, fellow hair loss people. So today is day 117. I don't know if it was because I was relaxed this weekend or whatever it was, but I felt like I had a pretty good amount of growth over the weekend. I feel like every time I wake up and I look at it, it just looks more and more different. But looking in at the areas, this is how it looks. My native hair is now long enough that it covers up the transplanted areas pretty well. Looking at it on camera, I think it's actually probably even a little bit harsher than how it looks in person. But looking at it, this is actually pretty much how I would normally have my hair in terms of length, maybe a little bit shorter on the sides. But on the top, this is traditionally how I would have had my hair. So this is a pretty good, understanding for me of how it's going to look ultimately. But so looking in at the area, I feel like I've got great density on the right-hand side like I've had. And I'm coming up on 4 months now. So this is definitely where I'm going to start to see a lot of it kind of fill in and get a good bit thicker. On this side, you can see there's still a couple of little sparse areas, but it's filling in pretty well. Overall, I'm really happy with how it looks. I saw my stepmom for the first time, and really since I'd had the surgery, and she just couldn't get over. She said I looked 5 to 6 years younger. She couldn't get over and said it was worth every single penny. So just kind of continual confirmation and affirmations from all my family members and friends that this really was the right decision. But looking at it again, you can see really under this harsh light, you can see it's a little thin on this side and a little bit thin on this side. At that 4 to 6 month mark, that's where the density really starts to come in. So I do expect it to get quite a bit better over the next coming months. Looking at the back area, back of my head. Again, like we've talked about in previous videos, this back crown area really doesn't start to thicken up until after the 6 month mark. But overall, I'm pretty happy with how it looks. If you guys have any questions, make sure to comment down below. Make sure to like and make sure to subscribe for all my future updates. Thank you, guys.